Welcome. Today we're going to be working with transformations where you have more than one transformation on the same problem. So today I'm going to start you with one triangle, which is given the coordinates and graphed here. The point 2, 5, 2, 3 is A, C, and then B is at -1, 3. So we've got A, B, and C. This should probably be in blue. All right. So we translate up 3 and 2 to the right. I'm going to do this one in red and the final one in green. Notice it's going to be a single prime for the first move and a double prime for the second. And if there were a third move, there'd be 3 primes. So I'm going to move A, 2 to the right and 3 up. There's A prime, B, 2 to the right, 1, 2, 3 up, B prime, and C is a little bit in my way. I'm going to move that. And C is 2 to the right and 1, 2, 3 up. So there is my new triangle. All right. C prime. All right. The second one is to reflect this value, not the original triangle, but the new triangle over the x-axis. So this is getting reflected over the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my A prime, double prime. C takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's C prime, double. And B, 1, 2, 3, oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B, double prime. Should make that double prime. And connect up the dots. And there you have your final answer. All right. Hopefully, no questions there. Let's try the next one. Rotate, then reflect. All right. Now, rotating, I'm going to rotate this 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm going to turn my paper 90 degrees, and I'm going to write down briefly what the coordinates are here. So A prime is going to be, oh darn, why didn't I label it first? All right, I should have labeled this A, C, and B. I should have done that in blue. Let me erase that and do that in blue. Oh. I want to erase my, oh, it erased my point on me. All right. Wow, that was close. A, C, B. All right. Now I gotta group this together. All right, now I can do it. I'm going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. We can see A prime is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2. B prime is at 3, 1. And C prime is at 3, -2. All right, I'm going to turn it back. All right, plot those points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, negative, 3, positive 1. And 3, negative 2. So there's B prime, A prime, and C prime. Let's connect those up. There we go. Then I'm going to reflect over the y-axis. So A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's A double prime. C is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. C double prime, and B is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. B double prime. I can connect that up. And there you have your final image. All right. So 2 rotations, 2 transformations, I should have said. All right, here's our next one. Reflect over the y, then translate up 2. So reflect over the y. This is going to be a little tricky. A, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here's A. Oh, that's C, sorry. I really should have labeled these beforehand. This is C, this is A, and this is B prime. So let me draw that in. All right, so our triangle kind of overlaps, but now we're going to translate it up 2. So A goes up 2, A double prime. C goes up 2 to A, which is a little confusing. C double prime, I'm just going to put an arrow there. And B goes up 2, B double prime. Now I'm going to draw that shape, connecting those dots. And there we go. That green triangle is your final answer. Be nicer if they were further spread apart, but sometimes they are overlapping like this. Hopefully not too often. All right, reflect over X, reflect over Y, and then rotate 180 degrees. All right, I better put this in with A, B, and C first before I even start and connect all that up, because I am going to be flipping this. All right, reflect over the X. So that brings this down 3 for C prime. A goes down 5, A prime. B comes down 3 and another 3, B prime. Reflect over the Y. Oh, I gotta connect them up first. Again, this is gonna get a little messy because we're reflecting over the Y-axis and it's gonna overlap. So C is gonna go 2, 2. Here's gonna be C double prime. A is gonna go 2, 2, A double prime. And B is going to go 1, 1, B double prime. Now I'm going to connect that up. C to B, C to A to B. All right. Now triple prime. I'm going to have to, again, group this up so that it all spins together. Otherwise, it's going to get everything everywhere. So we're focusing on the green one, and we have to rotate it 180 degrees. All right, now I want you to pay attention. This is purple. All right. A triple prime is at, here's A, 1, 2, 5, 2, 5. B triple prime, that's B, -1, 3. And C triple prime, C is here at 2, 3. All right, watch this. Ready? I'm going to turn this back over. And look at these. A, B, C. It maps back onto itself. So our final answer here is really this exact same triangle. And that's a, oops, let me just undo that part. And that's A triple prime, C triple prime, and B triple prime end up where they started. All right, let's take a look at this. Is this last one? Yeah, this is the last one. Rotate 90 counterclockwise, translate down and to the right 4. So again, I needed to put A, C, and B in here, which I should have done at the beginning. Makes it a lot easier. Rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. Remember, that's going this way. So that says A prime is going to be at -5, 2. B prime is at -3, -1. And C prime is going to be at -3, 2. Now I'm going to move this back and plot those points. -3, 4, 5 up to A prime. B is -3, -1, B prime. And C is -3, +2, C prime. Let's draw that up. And I have to call it a day after this next one. Translate down to right 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's B double prime. A, 2, 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 4. A double prime, and C down to 1, 2, 3, 4, C double prime. Let's draw that up. And there you have it, folks. And we are all done for today.